Hey everyone, I wanted to show you this really cool website where you can create points on a scatter plot just by clicking your mouse, and then you can determine your regression line, correlation, and a number of other things. So here's the website up here. I'll link to it in the activity, istats.shinyapps.io/explore/linreg/. So first thing we'll do is we're going to look at this initial relationship in this drop-down box. And there's a couple of options. We're going to draw our own data. So to get our own points in the graph, we'll just click with the mouse. Perhaps if you're using a tablet, you can tap with your finger and just put some points on the graph. And you'll notice that under the options, the box for linear regression line is checked. So the blue line is showing up on the scatter plot. Two other things that I want you to check are show correlation coefficient R. So that's the third box down. And then the fourth box, show correlation coefficient squared, R squared. You could also show the residuals and it will draw the lines, but it'll get the plot kind of cluttered. So I don't recommend showing that. All right, so these points that I plotted, the correlation is -0.72. And then here's our coefficient of determination. So correlation is moderately strong and negative, and the form looks linear. And then we could say 52.5% of the variation in the y variable is explained by this x variable. Now, there really isn't any context to these data points here because we've just clicked on our own values, but you could bring in your own data into this, I believe. All right, so let's reset. And let's say that I want to estimate a data set that has a correlation of 0.99. So I might try to draw points that fall very much on the line. And ooh, I'm at 0.96 with just these 5 data points. Maybe I can strengthen it by adding some more data points. Looks like I'm getting worse with my estimates. 0.88, wow. So if that is not working so well, oh, it looks like if you click on it and again, it disappears on the data point. My correlation is going the opposite direction. So I am going to reset this and start again. And I will just keep trying until I can get a correlation that is really, really high. 0.9. I noticed that my line's kind of flat. Let's see what happens if I make it an angle. That seems to be a little bit better. Correlation's a little bit stronger. Perhaps with a flat line, it's a little more challenging to see that there is a strong positive relationship because the angle's so flat. So something to think about. So that's all I have for the app. The directions for the activity are in the class. Bye.